introduce you our super new type LED temporary work light. So everybody see here, this type of work light we can do 80 watt, 100 watt, 120 watt and 150 watt. Each lamp we have at least 2 feet long, while it can be US standard or Europe standard. So we can according your demand to change the connector for you. This is the hook mounting. So for this type of hook mounting, it is very high quality, and also you can mount it in the warehouse, or when you go to the construction places, you can hook in any places can put the lamp. So we can see from here, this part is the small screw to let the lamp connect more well. So you just don't worry about it will fall down. For here, the inside have 4 screws. This 4 screw is not easy for people to open it. So it is very good. You no need worry someone will open it and feel dangerous. For the LED work light, we use the Samsung LED chip to build it, and it is no fan design. So for the outside, the wire ground, you will not touch the LED chip, and more to protect the LED lamp as well. For this type of LED temporary work light, it has 130 lumen per watt. Such as the 80 watt, we can retrofit the 250 watt with highlight high pressure sodium, and the 100 watt we can retrofit 300 watt traditional lamp. 120 watt we can retrofit 400 watt traditional lamp, and the 150 watt we can retrofit 450 watt traditional lamp. The traditional lamp can be metal halide, also high pressure sodium or low pressure sodium. So this type of temporary work light we can see from the outlooking of this part, the driver part. It is very beautiful, very nice design. If you have any else questions of the lamp, you can just contact with ourselves. Thank you.